Hello dears, so today we are going to learn integers and its operations. Okay, so it will be the easiest one in mathematics, and let's see what is integers and then we can discuss about its operations. Okay, shall we move to the first slide? Yes, so here we are going to learn what are integers. So integers refers to all numbers in mathematics. Okay, it refers to all numbers in mathematics which include positive numbers, negative numbers and zero, but exclude all fractions. Okay, so it will not include the fraction. So without fractions, all the positive numbers, negative numbers and zero are called integers. Okay, so next we can use four basic operations on integers. So first one is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so we are going to learn how to use all these four operations on integers. Okay, so there are some basic rules and regulations. So first let us discuss about addition of integers. Okay, so here we have seen all the three examples. So positive numbers means two numbers will be the positive integer and the answer will also be the positive integer. Okay, and if you are taking any two negative integers, then you have to you have to find the answer by adding the numbers and you have to put the negative sign. And if the signs are different means then you have to subtract it and you have to put the largest number sign. Here the largest number is 7 and its sign is minus, so the answer is minus 2. Okay, so shall we move on to the next one? Okay, so the next one is subtraction of integers. Okay, so here also we are having the same three kinds. First one is positive integers or numbers, and the next one is negative numbers or integers, and then two integers with different signs. Okay, so first one, positive integers. So subtraction of two positive numbers can be either positive or negative. See, in subtraction of integers the answer will be either positive or negative. Okay, so we cannot conclude that the answer will be the positive one or the answer will be the negative one. Like that we cannot tell. Okay, it's depends upon the question. So here for example I'm taking subtract 5 from minus 2. So subtract 5 from 2. So 2 both the numbers are positive numbers. So I'm taking 2 minus 5. Yes. So look at this one. Here 2 is a positive one and 5 is coming after the negative sign. So it's minus 5. So if both the signs are different, then what is the rule we have followed in addition? Yes, you have to subtract it and you have to put the largest number sign. So if you subtracted 2 minus 5, then it's 3 and the largest number is 5 here and its sign is negative. So minus 3 is the answer. Okay. For example, I'm taking another example. Subtract 3 from 6. So which is 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3. Both the numbers are different signs. So 6 minus 3 is 3. And the largest number is 6 here and its sign is plus. So the answer is plus 3. Okay. So subtraction of any two positive integers can either be positive or negative. Okay. Like that same rule for negative numbers also. See, subtraction of two negative numbers are also either positive nor negative. So let's see some example for that. So I'm taking minus 4. Subtract minus 4 from minus 2. So both the numbers are negative numbers. So minus 2 minus of minus 4. Okay. So as we are going to subtract it, so I'm using minus at the center and at last it's minus 4. Okay. Now we are having some rules for multiplication, for multiplying the signs. Okay. It's too simple. So positive into positive will give you another positive integer. Okay, like that negative integer multiplied by negative integer is equal to positive integer. So minus into minus will become plus. Like that plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, so these are the basic things you have to learn, and we are going to discuss it in the multiplication of integers. In the next slide we are going to discuss it, so no worries. So here two minuses are there, so minus into minus will become plus, so minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, so here we have to subtract it. So 4 minus 2 is 2, and the largest number is 4 here, and its sign is plus, so the answer is plus 2. Okay, like that I'm taking another example. Minus 5 from minus 8. So minus 8 minus 5. Okay, so minus into minus will become plus, so minus 8 plus 5. If you subtract it, then the answer will be 3, and the largest number is 8 here, and its sign is minus. So the answer is minus 3. Okay, so we can discuss next one is subtraction of two integers with different signs. So this is also just same as addition. Okay, if the numbers are having two different signs, then you have to find the difference of the numbers, which means you have to subtract it and you have to put the largest number sign. Okay, so shall we move on to the multiplication of integers? Yes, it's too simple. Next one is multiplication of integers. Okay, so there are three rules. First one is product of two positive integers is positive. Okay, if you multiply any two positive integers, then the answer will be another positive integer. Look at this one. The product of two positive integers is positive. Let's check with an example. So here I have taken 2 and 3. So both are positive integers. So 2 3s are 6. Okay, if you multiply it, then you will get 6 and another positive integer. Okay, and the second rule is the product of two negative integers is positive. See, if you multiply any two negative integers, then also the answer will be the positive one. See, example, minus 3 into minus 4. So already I have told you in the previous slide itself, minus into minus will become plus. Okay, so 3 4s are 12, so minus into minus will become plus, so plus 12 is the answer. Okay, and the third type is product of a positive and a negative integer is always negative. This also I told you, no, positive multiplied by negative is equal to negative. Okay, sorry, it's negative. So if you multiply any two numbers with the different signs, then the answer will be the negative integer. Okay, so that's all with multiplication. So let's discuss about the division of integers. Yes, so the next one is division of integers. So here we are having one important thing to learn, which is when one integer is divided by another integer, okay, then the answer is either an integer or a fraction. Okay, it can be either an integer or a fraction. Yes, so first one, there are some rules, same three rules we are following here also. So division of two positive integers results in a positive value. See, if you divide 9 divided by 3, which is 3, both the numbers, both the integers are positive integers, then the answer will also be the positive integer. Okay, and the second one is division of two negative integers results in a positive integer. So let's check with an example. Look at this one. Minus 4 divided by minus 2. So both the minuses will get cancelled. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. And the third one is division of a positive and a negative integer or vice versa results in a negative value. So as told in the multiplication, if the integers are having different signs, then the answer will carry the negative sign. Okay, so these are the basic rules and regulations which you have to follow while doing operations on integers. Okay, so these are the rules and regulations which we have to follow while doing operations on integers. Okay, let's discuss it simply. Okay, the first one, addition of two same sign integers will yield a value in the same sign. Okay, so if you add any two integers with the positive sign, then the answer will also be the positive one. If you add any two integers with the negative sign, then the answer will carry the negative sign. Okay, the addition of two different sign integers will yield the sign of the greater number. So this also we have discussed. If the if the integers are having two different signs, then you have to find the difference of it and you have to put the greater numbers sign. Okay. Yes. So for multiplication and division of two same sign integers will give a positive value. So if you are multiplying or dividing any two positive integers, then the answer will also be the positive one. Or if you are doing the same with two negative integers, then also the answer will be the positive one. Okay. So minus into minus will give you plus. Yes. And excuse me. So next one, both the multiplication and division of two different sign integers will give a negative value. Okay, let's do some exercise sums. First one, 20 plus 30. Here both the numbers are, both the integers are positive integers. So 20 plus 30 is 50 and the answer is also a positive integer. Okay. And look at the second question. So both the numbers, both the integers are negative integers, minus 10, minus 13. So if both the numbers are negative, means what you have to do? You have to add them and you have to put the negative sign. So 10 plus 13 is 23. Both the numbers are having negative sign. So the answer will also carry the negative sign. So the answer is minus 23. Okay. And what about the third one? Minus 9 plus 3. So signs are different. Then you have to subtract it and you have to put the largest number sign. So 9 minus 3 is 6 and the 9 is the largest one. It's carrying negative sign. So the answer is minus 6. Okay. Next one. 10 minus 4. So positive integer and negative integer. So 10 minus 4 is 6, which gives the positive integer. Okay. Next one. Plus 3 into minus 1. So positive into negative will give you the negative value. So 3 1 is 3 and the answer is minus 3. Okay. And the next one is both the numbers are positive integers. So positive into positive will give you a positive integer. So 7 6 are 42. And the next one is minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. So here 5 5s are 25 and minus into minus will give you plus. So the answer is plus 25. Okay. And the next one, minus 8 multiplied by minus 6. So both the numbers are negative integers. So 8 6 are 48. Minus into minus will become plus. So the answer is plus 48. And the ninth one is plus 9 divided by minus 3. So 9. If you divide 9 by 3, then the answer will be 3. And it consists of one positive integer and one negative integer. Then the answer will be minus. Okay. So as I told you before, minus into plus will become minus. Yes. So next one is plus 15 divided by 5. Okay. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. Here both the numbers are positive integers. So the answer will also be the positive integer. Okay. So I hope you all understood what are integers and the basic operations on integers. So let's see in another video. Thank you.